out. You know the rules of the game. You gotta get loud. The louder you get, the bigger they go. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Here we go, Jared time. Whoa! The whip inverted. You don't see that, but the X Games gold medalist now, Julian Manana. One hand on the ball, one hand on the seat. If you love him, give him the energy. Energy, do you want more? You got one flip. You got to bring that energy back up if you want one more. Oh, Glasgow, you know it. 1, 2. You got to do it for 3. They hear it. They feel it. They love it. Give it up for Hot Wheels. FMX.
World-class athletes, world-class FMX superstars, and this guy right here is a world record breaker. Give it up for Cody Elkins, everybody! Oh my goodness. Cody, I could watch you guys ride all day long.
Man, yeah, it's so much fun. And having a big crowd, loud crowd like you guys makes it even more fun. And you know, I had a little mistake out there and I kind of want to redeem myself. I also want to see how loud you guys can get.
Hang on a second. Freddie.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second.
Is he laying down a challenge?
And I get this. Cody's in his own world. I get it. Everything's about Cody, at Cody Elkins, the whole deal, right? This is our show, Cody. So, am I hearing this right? You're giving my people a challenge?
Absolutely.
So Glasgow, do we want to accept the challenge from Cody Elkins? Yeah! Here's what we're going to do. On 3, we are going to say, and we're going to raise the roof doing this, we're going to say, challenge accepted. 1, 2, 3.
Challenge accepted!
Oh, Cody time! Here we go. We're going to take 1 rider, 2 rider, 3. You gotta give them the energy. The louder you get, the bigger it is, the bigger they go. Get it going. Let's go. Oh, 3 riders, Alex Baker. It's getting hot down there. You know what to do. SSC Hydro. They're gonna ask you, do you want more? Here we go. Oh, a couple of KOTs, the kiss of death, the bite down, the body up. Oh, levels are 1 on that. If you have the energy, they might have 1 more. Let's go. Let them hear it.